Hello dear students, in the previous classes you learned how to divide 2 and 3 digit numbers by 1 and 2 digit numbers, right? Have you remembered? So in this class we are going to learn how to divide 4 and 5 digit numbers by 1 and 2 digit numbers. First, let us learn how to divide 4-digit number by 1-digit number. So, divide 9588 by 6. Students, do you know the terms of division? The number to be divided, that number is said to be dividend. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ನ ನಾವು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೋ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಡಿವಿಡೆಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. And the number by which we are dividing, that number is said to be divisor. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ನಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೋ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಡಿವೈಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. The number which is left over, that number is said to be remainder. So here 9588 is a dividend and 6 is a divisor. Consider the leftmost digit of the dividend, that is 9. Now compare 9 to this 6. Now find out which number is less than or equal to this 9 in the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. 12 is greater than this 9. That's why we have to consider 6 ones are 6. 1 should be written in quotient place, then write 6 below this 9. Now subtract 6 from this 9. 9 minus 6, how much? That is 3. 3 is less than this 6. We cannot divide 3 by this 6. That's why we have to bring down this 5. Now find out which number is less than or equal to this 35 in the table of 6. 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36. 36 is greater than this 35. That's why we have to consider 6 5s are 30. Write 5 in quotient place and write 30 below this 35. Subtract 30 from this 35, 5 minus 0, that is 5, 3 minus 3, 0. Now bring down this 8. Now find out which number is less than or equal to 58 in the table of 6. 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60. 6 10s are 60, that is greater than this 58. That's why we have to consider 6 9s are 54. 9 should be written in quotient place, then 54 right below this 58. 8 minus 4, that is 4. 5 minus 5, 0. Now bring down this 8. This 48 is exactly divisible by this 6 on 8. 6 8s are 48. Write 8 in quotient place, then write 48. 8 minus 8, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. We get 0 as a remainder and 1598 as a quotient. Students, we can check our division using the relation, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend, that is 9588 is equal to divisor, that is 6 into quotient, that is 1598 plus remainder we get 0. Multiply 6 by this 1598. 8 6 48, 9 6 54, then 5 6 that is 30 and 1 6 that is 6. Now we have to add these numbers. 8 plus 0 that is 8, 8 plus 0 that is 8 and 8 plus 0 8. 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 0 8, 8 plus 0 8. 5 plus 0 5, 5 plus 0 5. 3 plus 6 that is 9. We get 9588. LHS is equal to RHS. So using this relation we can check our division. Have you understand students? Like this we can divide 4-digit number by 1-digit number. So let us see another example. The cost of 8 fans is 9432. Find the cost of 1 fan. 8 ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಗಳ ಬೆಲೆ 9432 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆದರೆ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾನ್ನ ಬೆಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ 8 ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್. 8 ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಬೆಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 9432. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ಗಳಿವೆ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 8. ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಫ್ಯಾನ್, ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾನ್ನ ಬೆಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡಿವೈಡ್ 9432 ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ 8. Consider the leftmost digit, that is 9. 9 is greater than this 8, so we can divide 9 by this 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 is greater than this 9. That's why we have to consider 8 ones are 8. 1 should be written in quotient please. Then write 8 below this 9. Subtract 8 from this 9. 9 minus 8 that is 1. Bring down this 14. 14 is greater than this 8, so we can divide 14 by this 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 is greater than this 14. That's why we have to consider 8 ones are 8. 1 should be written in quotient please. Then write 8 below this 4. Subtract 8 from this 14, that is 6. Now bring down this 3. And which number is less than or equal to the 63 in the table of 8? 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 64 is greater than the 63. That's why we have to consider 8 7s are 56. 7 should be written in quotient please. Then write 56 below this 63. Subtract 56 from 63. 3 minus 6, that means 13 minus 6, that is 7. 5 minus 5, 0. Bring down this 2. This 72 is exactly divisible by this 8 on 9. 8 9s are, that is 72. 9 should be written in quotient please. Then write 72 below this 72. 2 minus 2, 0. 7 minus 7, that is 0. So here we get a remainder as 0 and quotient 1179. Therefore the cost of 1 fan is 1179. ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾನ್ನ ಬೆಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 1179. So let us verify the division using the relation, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here the dividend is 9432 and the divisor is 8 into quotient, that is 1179 plus remainder, that is 0, multiply 8 by this 1179, 9 8s are, that is 72, then 7 8s are 56, 1 8s are, that is 8, then 1 8s are 8. Now add these products. 2 plus 0, 2, 2 plus 0, 2, 2 plus 0, 2. 7 plus 6, that is 13, 13 plus 0, 13, 13 plus 0, 13, 3 should be written, then 1 carried over, 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 0, 14 only, 4 should be written, then 1 carry over, 1 plus 8, that is 9. So we get 9432. LHS is equal to RHS. Our division is right. Have you understand, students? Division by 10, 100 and thousands. Here we have to divide 653 by 10. Consider the leftmost digit, that is 6. Compare 6 to this divisor, that is 10. 6 is less than this 10. So we cannot divide 6 by this 10. That's why we have to consider two leftmost digit of the dividend, that is 65. Which number is less than or equal to this 65 in the table of 10? That is 10 6 are 60, 5 minus 0, 5, 6 minus 6, 0. Bring down this 3, 10 5s are 50, 3 minus 0, that is 3, 5 minus 5, 0. We get 3 as a remainder and quotient, that is 65. Students, observe this problem carefully. In 653, the ones place digit is 3 and here also we get remainder as 3. And the remaining number, that is 65, forms a quotient. So we can see when we divide a number by 10, the ones place digit that forms remainder and the remaining numbers will form as a quotient. So let us see another example. 1375 divided by 10. Now tell me, in this 1375, which number is remainder and which one is quotient? So here 5 is in ones place digit, so 5 is a remainder and the remaining numbers, that is 137, will form a quotient. So like this we can find out a remainder and quotient without actual division. Divide 398 by this 100. 100 3s are 300, 8 minus 0 8, 9 minus 0 9, 3 minus 3 0. Students, when we divide a number by 100, the ones place digit and the tens place digit form a remainder and the hundreds place digit will form a quotient. Okay, so let us see another example. 9345 divided by 100. We can say which one is remainder and which one is quotient without actual division. When we divide a number by 100, the ones place digit and the tens place digit form a remainder. So here the remainder is 45 and the remaining numbers form a quotient. Here the quotient is 93. Okay, have you understand? Divide 8946 by 1000. 1000 eights are, that is 8000. 6 minus 0, 6. 4 minus 0, that is 4. 9 minus 0, that is 9. 8 minus 8, 0. 946 is less than this 1000. So we cannot divide 946 by this 1000. Students, when we divide a number by 1000, the ones place digit and the tens place digit and hundreds place digits form a remainder, and the remaining number will form a quotient. So here we get 946 as a remainder and 8 as a quotient. So let us see another example, that is 9456 by 1000. So tell me which is remainder and which one is quotient. So ones place digit, tens place digit and hundreds place digit will form a remainder. Here the remainder is 456. And which one is quotient? 9 is quotient. So like this we can say which is remainder and which one is quotient without actual division when we divide a numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. Let us see how to divide a 4-digit number by a 2-digit number. Divide 7650 by 25. Consider the two leftmost digits of the dividend, that is 76. Compare this 76 to this 25. 76 is greater than this 25. So we can divide 76 by this 25. Which number is less than or equal to this 76 in the table of 25? 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, 25 threes are 75, 25 fours are 100. 25 fours are 100, that is greater than this 76. That's why we have to consider 25 threes are, that is 75. 6 minus 5, 1. 7 minus 7, 0. Bring down this 5. 15 is less than this 25, so we cannot divide 15 by this 25. That's why we have to bring down this 0. So when we divide two numbers at a time, we have to put 1 0 in the quotient place. Now tell me which number is less than or equal to this 150 in the table of 25. 25 fours are 100, 25 fives are 125, 25 six are 150. So we have to consider 6. 150 minus 150, that is 0. Let us verify the division using the relation, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here the dividend is 7650, divisor that is 25 into quotient that is 306 plus remainder that is 0. Multiply 25 by this 306. 6 5s are 30. 0 should be written. Then 3 carry over. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3 that is 15. 0 into any number that gives 0 as product. So 0. Then 3 5s are 15. 5 should be written, then 1 carry over, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 0, 5, 5 plus 0, 5. 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 5, 6 and write 7 as it is. So we get 7650. LHS is equal to RHS. So our division is right. Have you understand students? I hope you all are clear about how to divide a 4-digit number by 1 and 2-digit number and division by 10, 100 and thousands. Thank you.